guys, this is the Fox Gamer, and today we're gonna be recording to "It's Raining Tacos" by Perry Grip. So shout outs to them. I'm gonna subscribe to show some support to their channel. You should also post notifications to them, and also do that to my channel so that you get all notifications from my channel. And yeah, let's get started.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Rain tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Okay guys, by the rating of the video, I rated probably like a 6 out of 10. And I'm gonna actually shout out my friend on Xbox. He's the coolest guy in the world. I play Minecraft with him a lot on Xbox, and he actually knows how to edit a lot better than me. His name is Thomas Beer, and he's Thomas Beer. I'm friends with him, even though I don't have that many subscribers. So, yeah. Yes, I got this idea by him, basically. Yeah, I actually know how to record on my Xbox while I'm making videos. I actually know how to record it on my Xbox while I'm making videos. I already said that. But most of the time it just doesn't really work for some reason. Oh, and shoutouts to Melishai. He's Thomas Beer's little brother. Yeah. Oh, Face Rock, I subscribed to him already. Oh, and I also subscribed to PewDiePie. I subscribed to him, but in another channel. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and peace.